Okay, anti-roll bar links are in. Now we're going to assemble the actual anti-roll bar. We got to put on these little pivot ball things here. So they just go on with some little grub screws. Right there, they are pre-Loctite, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it in here. Now it says should be about 1 millimeter in when doing this. So I'm gonna guess that's about it there. And I just realized there's 2 different sets of grub screws here. I was wondering why this one wasn't fitting. Make sure you get the smaller one in there. I'm guessing the bigger one is for something else. Alright, let's try this again. Get it started in here and then guesstimate whereabouts that 1 millimeter mark is, because it can always be adjusted later. And slide that in. Some antennas to pick up some HBO. Okay, let's put this in the car. Well, before we can put them in the car, we got to put these anti-roll bar mounts in, and they look like they're the hardened plastic as well. So, like I said, I'm going to look up to see what the actual difference is between this kit and the RTR. And I'll make a follow-up video once everything is said and done. For those that are interested. Okay. Now I believe we can put in the anti-roll bar. Okay, there's the anti-roll bar link. I'll spin it around here. You can see the link anti-roll bar coming around here, going to the front and back around to the other side, which, man, does that really stiffen up the back. Wow. Maybe I will be pulling that wheelie. Man, alright. I believe that's it for bag 11. Alright, we're jumping into bag 12 here. We are really winding down. We're going to be looking at putting in a servo. So I actually got to dig out a servo. Now, I'm not going to put a great servo in it. Probably just a RTR servo will do the trick. Doesn't have to steer very well, it just got to go straight. So I got a set of skinnies for it, so it doesn't have to push a lot of weight. I can't see the front of this being super heavy, so alright. Servo saver, we got the spur gear cover with the rubber stopper. That's nice. Okay. And alright, I'm gonna stop this for a second and find a servo. Okay. Servo saver put together. Alright, I'm gonna throw in just a cheap Spectrum. I believe this is out of my Vitera. S605. It's waterproof. Not that it's going to see water. I'm pretty sure it's not going to see water. I say that now, but we'll see. Okay, I changed my mind on the servo of choice. Sort of made up for me. The servo saver would not fit on the servo, believe it or not. So I went with a high-tech servo that I had kicking around. I know nothing about it. It is the it's actually out of the Clodbuster. It used to control the mechanical. Oh my goodness, it's 2:30 in the morning. I think it's time for me to call it a night. It used to control the mechanical speed controller in the Clodbuster. I switched it over to a Hobbywing 1060. So I had this servo kicking around. It does still work. It only has to move the wheels a little bit, so you know, it's not like I'm going crawling with it. It's not a touring car or anything. It's really just got to get down straight down the track. So first electronics are in. Awesome. We're going to our next step. It says we're going to be putting our motor in, so looking forward to that. Here we go. Oh yeah, that is a thing of beauty. I'm gonna keep the gearing a little hush hush. Why not? Alright, well, I'm going to mount this up, and then we'll put the cover on, and we'll go from there. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a motor in the drag car. Oh yeah. Bag 13. Now the question is this the unlucky bag or the lucky bag? I'm not superstitious, so what do we got? We got some Velcro, Nerf bars, foam block, receiver box lid, screws, more Velcro, and the other Nerf bar, and receiver box. Alright, final stages. Alright, receiver box going in the car. I believe this is actually the last stuff, and then we can put the wheels on, which I haven't even showed you guys the tires I got for this yet. I will do that as soon as I get this receiver box put in. Alright, so for the front wheels, we got some green J Concepts hotties. Not really sure what to think. I've heard mixed results with the hotties. I am going to do something with the rims, but because of the time crunch, they're going to stay black for now. And on the back, we got the J Concepts hotties, but the gold compound. If I'm not mistaken, I got the little sheet they stuck in there. The gold compound's more durable, so I figured that's, you know, back tire, right? You know, listen to me, I'm an expert at drag racing now. Sarcasm. They're more durable, less tire expansion for warm weather running conditions. So, we'll see. We'll see. The nice thing with tires is we can always change them pretty easily. So we'll see how those go.